Hi everyone, so today I'm gonna just quickly show you this makeup look that is really simple and quick, and I'm planning to do this for this Raksha Bandhan. So if you want to watch this, then stay tuned till the end of this video. I'm gonna first start with a very light brown shade that I'm gonna apply on my crease line, on top of which I am going to use a darker shade of brown just to create the crease line in a much definite way. Then I'm going to just apply a little bit of concealer on the eyelids very patiently. Why I'm doing this? Because I plan to use a glitter shade on top of wherever I've applied the concealer. So just to give that a little bit of cut crease effect. It's something really simple to be done. I'm just going to finish this look with a very thin winged eyeliner, and then I'm going to be coating my lashes with mascara. And I'm done with my eyes. For my face, I'm just going to use a foundation all over my face and neck and blend it with a puffing brush. Once all of that is done, I'm going to conceal all the dark spots on my face and my under eye area just to highlight that a little more. I'm going to bronze my face, just a slight bit of it, because I need that definition to be given to the face. And I'm going to finish this look with a nice pink liquid lipstick so that it stays for a longer time. And I'm also wearing a dark color of bindi just for that ethnic effect. And I'm done. I took a very small section on both the front ends and I rolled those hair and secured with the help of a bobby pin. I added some jewelry just to give that entire look a more ethnic effect, and I'm done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Bye.